Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an Audi rear emblem using an easy method. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a heat gun, some strong fishing line, and a good automotive adhesive remover. Make sure your new emblem is the perfect fit for your Audi model. Always work in a well-ventilated space to keep things safe and comfortable. This simple process will have your Audi looking fresh in no time, taking about 30 minutes from start to finish. Now, let's get that old emblem off. Start by gently heating the emblem with your heat gun for about 30 seconds. This softens the adhesive, making it much easier to remove. Next, take your fishing line and carefully slide it behind the emblem, using a sawing motion to cut through the softened glue. Once the adhesive is mostly cut, use a plastic trim tool to gently pry the emblem away from the car, being careful not to scratch the paint. With the old emblem gone, it's time for a crucial step: cleaning the surface. Apply your automotive adhesive remover to any leftover sticky residue. Let it sit for a moment, then wipe the area thoroughly with a clean microfiber cloth. You want the surface to be perfectly smooth and free of any old glue or dirt. This ensures a strong bond for your new emblem. Make sure the area is completely dry before moving on to the next step. Finally, it's time to install your brand new Audi emblem. Carefully align the new emblem with any existing indentations or guides on your car's surface. Once it's perfectly positioned, press down firmly for at least 30 seconds to ensure a strong, secure bond. For the best results, avoid washing your car for 24 to 48 hours. This allows the adhesive to fully cure, keeping your new emblem firmly in place for years to come. Enjoy your refreshed Audi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.